Yeah, guys, look at that. Yeah, man. See a dumpling pot of bubble. Yeah, man, food pot. The years are going with itself. Yeah, man, everything will come together, guys. Check in, guys. I got one a Sunday morning pot. Yeah, man, a early Sunday morning pot. Yeah, guys, look at it. Yeah, man. Some good old saltfish right here, so. Some banana, flour, sweet potato, yam, sweet corn, butter bean. Yeah, man. Check in. I run a pot. Alright, guys, man, I get some water ready now for boil off some of the saltfish here, because you know, say saltfish come with a lot of salt tonight. So, I have to boil out some of the salt, guys. Yeah, man, get rid of some of the salt content. Yeah, guys, see it there. Get the saltfish on the fire. When it come to a boil, showing you exactly what I go on. Yeah, man. Alright, guys, meanwhile the saltfish are boil. Get another pot ready. Yeah, man, put some boiling water on the stove. Yeah, man, to get some dumpling ready tonight. Yeah, man. Pot up on the fire now, guys, so get in a little bit of salt tonight, yeah, guys. Yeah, man, about that amount. Yeah, when it come to a boil, drop some flour in it, guys. So in the meanwhile, you're gonna need the flour. You're gonna see exactly how I deal with it. Yeah, man. Flour in a pot, you know, guys. Put some cornmeal in it right there, so. Yeah, man, some cornmeal. A little bit of salt. Yeah, man, not yeah. That amount, guys. Get down for salt the pot, you know. Yeah, man, can remember say salt down in the water. You know, and put too much salt in the flour. If you salt it, yeah, guys, see, you know, mixing this a bit. Everything come together. Yeah, man. Alright, guys. Yeah, man, it takes skills to mix flour with one and, you know, guys. One and to them, man, because if I hold the camera and I try to do this, I'm gonna see exactly how I deal with it, guys. Yeah, man, need it in, rub in. Yeah, man. Little more water right there, so guys. Rub in. Alright, guys, so when I finish need it, check in, okay, don't know. I'm gonna see it look like when it finish. Alright, guys. Yeah, man. Saltfish butter come to a boil, you know. This, guys. Flour pot a boil up now, so here gotta get 2 flour in it right now. Alright, guys, and so I go on. I'm gonna have to set the camera away. I'm gonna see how I roll and press them flour so I could get in it. Yeah, guys. Roll and press. Yeah, man, I want a big odious dumpling today. Oh, it's a small, neat one. See it there? Small, neat one today. Yeah, guys, right, look. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so when the near done roll up and thing, check in back doing again. I want to say exactly where I'm going. I have the next pot on the fire too, you know, guys. Some of the water boil up. Yeah, because I have some yam and anything there. Again, the next pot, just stay tuned. Don't drop them in the pot now, you know, guys. So store it and then we'll cover it down, make it come on, this thing boil and thing. In the meanwhile, I will peel the yam, banana and everything there. Yeah, man, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, Get them thing here ready up now. Yeah, man. Peel off. Make a ground food now. Irish. Yeah, man. Sweet potato. Yam. Yeah, man. Peel them up now, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah, man. Irish nice, you know, guys. Have a nice little flavor to it. Rather it more than the sweet potato. Yeah, man, to me, one of my most favorite ground food. Irish potatoes. Yeah, man, alright, let's eat here. One down. Get on to the next. Yeah, man. Irish, guys, I'm at least say the knife here well sharp and bevel. If you have to put a heap of strength tonight. Yeah, man, I dig too deep down in the Irish. Yeah. Give me, guys, second one. Yeah. Third one right here, so. Yeah, man, guys, remember some sweet corn, some butter bean and saltfish I eat today. I don't know, no fun, never have that before. No fun, I say, love mix up food, so. Yeah, man, but cooking is a creativity. Sweet potato time. Yeah, man. Sweet potatoes. Yeah, guys, I know say sweet potato nice as well. Some people even use it to make sweet potato pudding, but I am not a fan of pudding either, so you know that thing that come down. Yeah, man, this I must do it, boil it or roast it. Yeah, man, I need to roast it bad, you know. Right, so look here. Yeah, man. Peel another one. Just that one. Yeah, guys, some boiled food in nice Sunday morning. Get in a piece of yellow yam now. Yellow yam, guys. Yeah, man. Rather the white yam still. White yam more nicer to me. Yeah, some people love the yellow yam still. I don't know, say white yam not the right through the year like yellow yam. Yeah, man. See it here, guys. Cut it up right now. Wash it off right away. Yeah, man. No big chunks is made thin and nice. Yeah, man. See it here. Nice little slice. Yeah, guys. Nice green banana. Yeah. Mine kind of nice, you know, guys. Just a look of it. You can tell that I'm soft too. I saw them higher than them here today. Soft with nice green banana. Yeah, guys, see that? Yeah, man. Banana. By the time I'm done peeling banana here, but I'm supposed to ready for them. Yeah, man. guys, it come out the skin easy. Show them well fit and nice. Yeah man. Yeah man, guys, so just check in back. When I put in the hot boiling water. Alright guys, water bubble now, so load in them ground food here. The camera smudge up with that. Yeah. Yeah guys, look at this. Food well nice and clean in a pot though. Yeah man. Well nice and clean man. Check in pan the flower pot, I know if it's where I go on. Wow. Look at that guys. Just wow. Dumpling them a bubble. You wanna close it to zoom in. Yeah man. I clean up the saltfish now guys because the water they must come to a boil now. Yeah man, so I go clean it up. Yeah man, I'm showing you exactly how the butter bean and the sweet corn come down. Hold on, yeah. Alright. Yeah, work. Yeah guys, now I go clean up like a saltfish here now. You can see it, look here. Clean it up, pick it up and you can see how it look. Yeah guys, basically the saltfish don't pick up on thing, but who know the bone here? Enough people know that should have bone here in the saltfish now guys. So I'm gonna leave it in my one today and see what the big deal in another piece of bone when they cook it. Yeah man. Yeah guys, just stay tuned. Yeah guys, look at that. Yeah man, see a dumpling pot of bubble. Yeah man, basically it finished cooked now, so I will lock off that pot here and go and wait for that one here. Yeah man. Basically this is the seasoning we're going to use. You season up the butter bean, sweet corn and saltfish. Yeah man, so get them rinse off. Rinse them off guys. And then I cut them up. Yeah man, so stay tuned guys, and it finish cut up. Show you what it look like. See it look like here now, some onion. Oh, them well nice, well cut up. Alright, onion, some scallion, even you can see it, some garlic and some hot pepper. Yeah man, so basically this is seasoning for today. I remember, you know guys, if you do not cook the pot not talk to me with a little sizzling sound, you know so something wrong, you can lock off the fire. Yeah man, but look upon it man, the heat is just now as it is. Yeah man, but stay tuned guys, I'm gonna get some oil in my pot now and a short time after that. Alright guys, get some oil in my pot here now. Yeah, like oil for saute the seasoning, like all the flavor release. Yeah man, that's about it when that warm up, or better yet when it hot. Throw in the seasoning, hear the sizzling, everything man. Yeah man, everything will come together. So I'm gonna get in the seasoning here now. Watch this. I have to let this one cook and saute a bit in a man, so without that, you know, so the flavors them now the release, which the flavors to release make everything nice and mellow. You know, that look, you know, so it's colorful and nice when you cook man. Yeah man. Next, yeah, that's when I put in the salt fish in this. Yeah, man, not just to make this one saute a bit. Yeah, man, remember say cooking is a process, you know, guys. Yeah, man, and I just bam and done. The thing I have to do it one little thing. Yeah. Alright, guys. See how it come together now. Yeah, man, let's talk about cooking the saltfish now. Yes, we're going again. Yeah, man, saltfish in a pot, guys. Yeah, man, well, nice. Alright. Remember, as I tell you, you know, guys, that process. So be this 2 minutes. Okay, guys. See, bone I talk about. Yeah, man. I don't know when I eat beef and I love so, but I'm going to know today. As I said, give this another 2 minutes or so. I'm putting the bean them. Alright, guys, have a look. Alright, showing the sweet corn now. Yeah, man, everything will come together, guys. Sweet corn. Put on a little butter bean now, guys. Butter bean. Yeah, man, I'm going to put a little black pepper on it. Stir it in a bit and then I'll see how it come down. Alright, guys, see it here. Little black pepper, not a whole lot, just a bit. Alright, show what I'm now. Stir it in. Mix it in, guys. Sweet corn with butter beans. Alright, look. Cover this for your next 2 minutes or so. Keep going and do your thing. Check it back. Yeah, guys, see that? Food pot that ready and out, you know. So I just the sweet corn and saltfish and butter bean I wait pan right now. Yeah, man, next time you see it, dish it there now, guys. How it look? Dumpling them, here more dumpling. Banana, they look soft and nice. The one on the right, that's when I can. I look on it. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, the wishbone here. Have a little flavor in it, peeps. But thanks for watching. Yeah, man. And thanks for supporting. Yeah, guys, this is your bite. Yeah, man. Catching the plan next cooking adventure. Some more outdoor styles and things, but pan Sundays, you know, so inside I go start with for breakfast. Yeah, man, peace.